The angriest Canis lupus, or better known as the angry dog, is a fierce blue predator with big bulging eyes, thick eyebrows tilted downward, and an appetite for destruction, and anything else it sees. Today we will catch a glimpse of this mammal in two of its primary habitats, a flowery meadow and a sparse mushroom forest. We see a carefree bunny happily nibbling at food in the bushes. Our fierce predator attacks. Having lost its prey, it circles and hides in the bushes, waiting for the next animal. Now, a little fuzzy comes. Competition arrives. A hand. The fuzzy easily outruns the hand and retreats into the bushes. Now it's the dog's turn. He sneaks up, and with one quick bite, the fuzzy is gone. Let's observe the angry dog in another place. The mushrooms here are very sparse, so the dog can't sneak up on anything. It will have to get creative. A group of blobs come, chatting to each other. The dog arrives. The blobs are fooled by his disguise, and he joins the group. But soon after, they realize who he truly is, as he begins eating them one by one. That little blob was no match for the angriest Canis lupus. I hope you enjoyed today. Goodbye.